What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Here we have bluebird bio. It's 3.10% down up today. My prediction was okay that this is more like gonna just gonna fall a little bit down into here or here to continue higher to this 18 highs. Now we're tapping into this demand area, so there's no question as to that. Let me just leave a bunch of the stuff right here. Oh shit! So it does seem like we broke the low right there. Now you can count this as absorption, but again, if we break this low right here that we made actually, so I'm talking about the lows of 550, 544, and if we close another candle below that, yeah, I'm definitely gonna be bearish. Otherwise, just continuation bullish right here. So bearish this demand and then bullish once again, or just bullish. So that's about it. Let me know what are your thoughts about my prediction. Obviously, this is not financial advice. Stay tuned, goodbye, and comment down below what are your thoughts about it. See you.